Aki çizici.
We're getting off.
Can I take over now?
Yes.
Thank you. Let's see, it's still filming. Hi guys.
Yeah. Hi.
Say hello to everybody.
Hello.
So what are we doing today?
We're going on a
trip basically. We're
in the forest.
Yeah, we're going.
Ah, okay, so we're going a bit in the nature.
Yes.
And we've come with our bikes.
Yeah.
The huge
bike?
ATV and our CBR 125. Say hello, Mom.
Hello.
Okay guys, let's take a walk, everybody.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
Come on. We are going that way. I'm gonna show you where Grandpa is cleaning. So that road. It's that road down there.
What, this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep, that's the road we're gonna follow. We're gonna go and see what Grandpa did.
We found a different parking spot, but we didn't think it was good enough.
Yeah?
Ooh, spiky tree.
Oh, this is a really spiky
Those are
tree.
some big thorns.
Yep. They can do quite a damage.
Hey, look at this.
Ah, how is this called?
A dandelion.
Dandelion. Nice.
Look at these. These flowers. Look at these flowers.
Which one?
These.
Yeah?
They're pink.
Oh,
Lizard.
lizard.
Lizard. Let's go get him.
Yeah, poor lizard.
Why?
My guys like lizards a lot.
Yes, I would like to hold them.
Where is he? There he is.
Oh, that's a really small lizard.
But yeah, we're gonna get him. Come on, come
Take it easy, don't break his tail though.
I'm not.
Try to not break his tail.
Come, wizard.
He's
He
really
ran
not
away.
interested.
He's in here somewhere.
Yeah.
We can get him.
Yeah, he escaped. Let's go. Move on.
Let's try to find another wizard so we can get a close-up look.
Yeah, sure.
Trash.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
move that on the side a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, look at those flowers, how nice they
That's
are.
bad people.
Yeah, exactly. They're throwing trash all over the
No
place.
trash in a trash bin, not in nature.
Exactly. Good message.
These are gonna poke you.
Yeah, they can irritate your skin pretty badly if you touch them.
The only thing that I know is how to catch are butterflies and lizards and grasshoppers.
And also some bugs. Yeah, Mom doesn't like bugs. Oh, this is interesting. Do you remember these guys?
The ones
Yeah.
I can stick on him.
Sticky.
Yeah, they're basically sticking all over the place.
The sticky bombs.
Yep.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Yeah. A sticky leaf on. Hey,
Get stick.
I'm gonna stick one onto Mom. Daddy,
I'm actually wondering what these holes are. I think they're man-made.
No, they're not man-made. Those are like wild boar holes.
Yeah, wait.
Ladybug.
Let me film it. Let me film it.
Oh, spiders!
Let me get that bug.
Ladybug.
Oh, Aki, don't you try to grab that. There is.
Yeah, and I got not the correct footwear. I'm probably gonna get wet soon.
Well,
Here you go.
thanks. Thanks.
Here, two plants.
Yeah, they probably stick me all over the place, but
I don't care.
it's fun, so I don't mind.
It's a mushroom.
Wait, let me see. A mushroom?
Oh, that's
Wait. Let me see. Where is it? Oh, there is a little mushroom
I'm
here.
gonna put your dirt back.
And the good thing about
Where's
this
the
time
other
of
one?
year, there are no mosquitoes, which is really nice.
Amazing.
Yeah. Otherwise, we would get... Huh?
Look at this bulky plant.
Yeah, this one is... And this is quartz, I would say.
Oh, he's actually on there.
And some rock with pyrite.
That's a cool looking rock.
And by the way, when there is a bit better weather, we like to go quartz crystal hunting, yeah.
Oh, it has fluff.
Yeah, the fluffy tree.
I feel so fluffy. The fluff tree.
The fluff tree. Yeah, I have definitely the wrong footwear for this. Oh, jeez.
I got in.
Oh, no, no,
I can
no.
jump over this one.
Ooh,
No good idea.
I have a very, very bad footwear for this.
Go right into them. Damn it.
And I'm wet. Oh, my feet are totally wet.
Mine are wet too.
Yeah, but you have waterproof, man.
They're not waterproof anymore for some reason.
They're wet? Both of your?
A little are wet.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, so there goes the waterproofing they say they have. At least mine are not waterproof, so I know why they're wet.
That's why we came up here.
Just amazing.
A really good view. And for me to breathe into fresh air too.
Yeah, fresh air, nice view. The weather today is making up for the weather yesterday, which was awful, rainy. Oh, look at this, we have a bouquet. Oh, another lizard. Lizard alert. Yeah, he's gonna go away, there's no way you're gonna catch him.
Oh, he's chubby.
Yeah, watch it because there could be snakes. No, 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 don't go in there. Sea creatures this year.
Did you guys know that only 95% of the ocean we have discovered yet?
Yeah, I think that's pretty much correct, so.
No, not 95% of the ocean we discovered, it's only 5 that we discovered.
Yep. Oh, look, the pirate here. Fool's gold, they say.
What? Oh, fool's gold!
Yeah, quite a bit of it.
That's the water. Here
Yeah?
you go, a close-up look.
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to take much. It's like super thin layers. Let's go.
Question.
Yes.
Can you buy us a bearded dragon?
No.
Why not?
Because we're traveling a lot. What is he going to do? Do you think that your grandma is gonna keep the bearded dragon?
I'm gonna keep the bearded dragon.
But we're traveling.
I know.
We're rovers.
Yeah, but we can put him in the camper.
Really now?
I-
Have a bearded dragon in the camper?
Yes, that
have
would
a
be
stick.
awesome.
And what's next? An elephant? A giraffe?
Boar footprints.
Where?
Here. Look at this.
Nice. I don't know if it's a boar.
Yeah, that's
Could
definitely
be a deer,
boar.
but
Or a deer.
yeah, but it's definitely a footprint. Nice job.
Yeah.
Ah, poor lizards.
Come on, Daddy.
Poor lizards. No, 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 nope, nope, nope. Yep, you got stung. Nice job.
Oh, look at the beetle.
Yep, beetle. Beetlejuice. There we go. Nice black beetle. Mom loves them.
Not really.
She's thrilled. Especially with the black ones. I don't understand what the color has to do with anything, but okay. Oh, look at that
Butterflies.
butterfly. The color is awesome. Oh, it's so awesome.
Oh, look at these.
Amazing.
Look at these flowers.
Come on. Try.
I saw you get
And yeah, yes, no, maybe. Oh. Wait. Actually, I think my wife that they're mating. And now you're holding them in your hands.
We go to a church and we found this.
Yeah, it's quite nice. It's a cross.
Yeah. With a cross inside.
Mm-hmm.
It's a cross, with a cross inside, with a cross inside.
Wow, 3 crosses.
Yeah.
That's good luck.
It's gonna land.
He's gonna land and we're going to film him. And
He's so quick.
there he goes. So our condition is pretty much 0 at this point. And we've been a bit sick.
Looks like a dung beetle.
It is a beetle. Let us see the beetle. There we go.
That's a cute little beetle.
So wife, I need to make puffy chicken.
Yes, I will.
No, I need to do it.
Yes, you.
Yeah, you will. Thank
I
you.
will eat that.
I will eat the puffy chicken. What?
Look at it.
What, man? Oh, what's that? Some kind of
Worm.
wormy thingy.
Let me see.
Maybe it's
I don't see it.
It's really small, man. Ah, that's a nice flower. I remember this from Greece. I pick a lot of them up.
We have a little bit of these flowers.
Yeah, you can take one, I guess.
Yeah.
We can take it with us. It's quite common and nice.
Here you go, Mom.
Thank you.
Now we have a bit of purple in our bouquet.
Yes.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's getting nice. Mushroom down here. It's quite sad that people throw it all over the place.
Idiot.
Well, that was not nice. We need to be polite.
I mean, there are.
I know there are.
Oh, that.
I know, but we still need to be polite
Yeah.
over camera. Don't want to insult anybody.
Not good at all.
They're not good people. That I agree with. Aki, do you want to ride with Mom so you can film this time?
And I'm gonna go on the motorcycle.
You're gonna go on the motorcycle with me.
Yeah.
And Aki's gonna be the movie maker.
The motorcycle.
Mom driving the motorcycle. Last time she almost killed me when she took over the motorcycle.
Okay, so that should probably drive it.
Yeah, I'll drive the motorcycle. Thank you very much.
This is not true.
I trust you, Daddy.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Am I? No.
Yeah, even the kids know that Mom is not that good at driving the motorcycle. I'm giving the camera to you.
Hello.
There you go.
You have the
Hello.
camera.
You
Hi.
have the mic.
If it doesn't, if you can't see what you're filming, click it.
Yeah, if you can't see what you're filming, just
Where do I click it?
You don't have to stop the screen.
Sasha, a snima?
Yes,
Da, još uvijek snima, ne pojede klikćeš nigde.
Okay.
Ajde.
it's filming. You
I'm
don't have too
sitting.
much. Are you sitting?
Yes.
Come here. See you.
Bye, camera.
Bye. Okay, now we go together.
Yes, just little. Okay.
See you later.
Motorcycle goes fast.
Let's go.
Ajde, tvojte tu.
Hello.
Ajde. Okay, so yeah. We finished, so now they're gonna park our vehicles. Yeah, that was a fun time.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was good.
Hello.
We are signing off.
See you tomorrow.
What do we say to subscribers?
Subscribe! Subscribe and like! Bye!